Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download PHP and use Composer in your PC. First of all, we will not download XAMPP. In this case we are going to download raw PHP zip file. Okay, so let's go type here PHP download and hit enter, and you will find something like this. Click here PHP downloads. Now let's scroll down a little bit, and here you can see thread safe, right? This option. So just go with the zip version here, click here zip, and it will start downloading. So here you can see we successfully download this. Now open it and unzip it. Now click here extract all and click here extract. Here we go, we got a folder, and now let's rename the folder by pressing F2 from your keyboard and say I want to actually remove everything except this PHP 8.4.13. Now I got this folder. Now I am going to cut this folder from here, Ctrl+X from your keyboard, and then go to this PC, then C drive, and here we are going to paste it. So we got PHP in local disk C. Now we have to set environment variable. To set environment variable, you have to say here env, and then you will find something like this. Now click here open, it will actually open it, and then click here environment variables and select path under system variables and click here edit, and here we are going to create new path. So click here new, and here we are going to add it. So let's go inside the folder and just copy the folder path from the address bar, copy it. Now go to the system variable and click here new and add it by pressing Ctrl+V. Hit enter. Now press OK, and hit OK. Now open CMD, hit enter, and now here we will say PHP-V, and you will find current version, and that is 8.4.13. Now we want to download Composer. So let's go, type here Composer, hit enter, and you will find something like this. Click here download to take you directly to the download page, and here you can see composer setup.exe. Now click here, and here we go. Now just double click on it to start installing, and click here install for all user. Okay, and select yes, and now select next, and here you can see it got the path, right? So now we can actually install it. Next and next. Now you can actually select here install. Now Composer is also installing. Here you can see done. Now click here next, finish. Now you got the Composer also. If I go here, if I type here Composer not recognized because we have to actually reopen it. So let's go open CMD and set Composer, hit enter, and here you can see we have installed Composer, and the Composer version is 2.8.12. So without taking help from XAMPP, without using XAMPP, you can actually also set up PHP in your PC and you can install Composer. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.